Alright, we're coming in Dallas Fort Worth. Got 12 nautical miles left. Speed's at 186 knots. We're around 2700 AGL. Alright, let's go to the procedures here. So we're going to go ahead and call radar and file for
Radar,
approach.
good day. 2,700 feet. Inbound. Tango, Uniform, Tango, Oscar, Oscar. Request landing information.
Good day. Charlie, Alpha, Bravo, Bravo, Yankee, 2. Continue descent. Be level 10 miles before. Echo, Lima, Lima, Echo, Romeo. Runway, 36, right. Report full establish.
Continue descent. Runway, 36, right. Wilco.
Alright, we'll go ahead and call tower for clearance.
Tower, good day. Full establish runway, 36, right.
Good day. Wind 195 degrees.
I think we need to slow it down a little bit.
Clear to land runway 36 right.
Clear to land runway, 36, right.
We're going to be at 345 on the navigation here.
Spoilers.
Go ahead
Flaps.
and do that. I'll turn manually on this one. Sharp, sharp, tight turn.
2,000.
Gonna come down some. We'll be right around 0, here. So let's see. And it should be good.
1,500.
1500, slowing it down. More flaps. Alright. We'll call our passengers real quick.
Too low.
Pilot.
Too low. Terrain.
Alright, we'll get that. Prepare for
Cabin
landing.
crew. Prepare
Gear
for landing.
down. Go ahead and put our gear down. And we are a little bit off, but not bad. And we got a little too slow there. It's because we had to climb up an altitude some. We're okay. Alright, so we've already warned the passengers we're going to land. So we're going to prepare for landing here.
You have just been cleared to land at our destination. Please make sure one last time your seatbelt is securely fastened. The flight attendants are currently passing around the cabin to make a final compliance check and pick up any remaining cups and glasses.
Flaps.
Thank you.
It's getting pretty foggy here. We have to zoom into where we want it. Well, we can't do that. Alright, so wow, I feel like I can't see anything. Ooh, this is gonna be a tough one right here. I'm getting disoriented. Alright, coming down.
Flaps.
Flaps are down all the way. We're going pretty straight. We're going to have to get our spoilers here.
Spoilers.
Parking brake's going to be set too. Alright. We're flying manually. Spoilers are going to be armed.
Spoilers.
400.
Oh boy, coming in a little too hot here.
Flaps.
Boy, this thing is tricky.
300. Minimums. 200.
Oh boy, we are way off the runway here. Don't know if we can. We'll have to do a lot of stuff here. I think we got straight.
40. 30. 20.
Oh my god, I don't know how I did that. Ooh, hang it on. Hang on. Hang on, guys. Alright, that was a good landing. Ooh, boy. That was hairy. A lot of wind, a lot of crosswind there. Okay. Whew.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your destination. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles clear until we are parked at the gate. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items, since articles may have shifted.
Alright, we are down. And we are on the other side of this airport, so we'll just cut through on this Next taxi tower here. Go ahead and turn it. And did forget to put our landing light there, so that was a no-no. Sure, air traffic control will be pretty upset about that. Flaps are going back up.
Flaps.
I'll probably get a letter of reprimand from that from American Airlines. Alright, let's talk to ground. Go ahead and vacate the runway. Let's see, tower, vacated runway. Here we go.
Runway
Alright,
vacated.
no.
Contact ground.
But the important thing is we could have had a real bad accident, and we didn't, so that's pretty important.
Roger. Ground on 121.650.
Alright, now we'll go ahead and call it until we're taxiing.
Ground. Runway 36 right. Vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Oh, no, I need to turn.
Roger.
Wrong way.
Continue taxi to gate.
Going the wrong way.
Wilco.
Alright. So now we got our taxi, so we did that.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Whew.
not yet reached the gate. Please remain seated
Alright, what else we
until
need to do
captain
here?
turns off the fasten seatbelt
Got
sign.
lights on, systems. We can probably go ahead and turn the seatbelts off, turn the ice off, let them move around, get their bags. Okay. I don't know if I can really go through here, but I think I'll try. Looks like I might can fit. This probably is not the right way to go. Looks... Oh, and we crashed it. Okay, let's see if we can get it rewound here. Let's see. Well, we'll go ahead and